Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to give role to someone on Discord. Alright, so first thing first, you want to go to Discord and you want to make sure you're logged in. Right, so after that, then you're going to go to this website, yagpdb.xyz. Alright, so this is the website. Alright, so on the website, what you want to do is go to control panel, okay? Then you want to click on login using Discord. So it's going to connect your Discord, and you click on authorize. Alright, so we're in. So the next thing we want to do is click on server. So you want to click select the server. So if it says you do not have or access any server, what you want to do is go back to Discord. Then you want to come over to this course record add server. So we're going to create a new server for a club or community for name with friends, whatever you want. Create. Right, so this is our server right here. Now we're going to go back to YDB. Then you click on and you want to refresh. So as you can see, our server is up and running. So what you want to do is click on this new server, right? Then you click on continue. Right here, you just want to click on authorize. So all you have to do is just verify. Once you verify, so both added to this. So the next one we want to do is right here, you want to click on the new server you just added. So if it doesn't show up for you, what you want to do is just refresh, right? Then you click on the server. So right here we have a server running. Alright, so what you want to do next is go down here to tools and utility. Then you want to click on auto role. Okay, so before you do anything, you want to go back to Discord. Okay, then you want to go to our server, a new server. We're going to right click on server. Then you want to go to server settings. Okay, so once this opens up, you want to go to role. So right here, what we're going to do is create role. Right, so we're going to name it first role. Then you can give it a okay, you can choose an image if you want. Alright, so once you're done with that, you just save changes. So this is an example role. So we've created a role, and now we can go back. Alright, so now we'll go back to this website. So right here, so what we want to do is automatically assign members role. Right, so the role we created is what we're gonna put. So right here is not showing. What you want to do is refresh. So first role, right, can be safe. So that's just it. So anytime anyone comes to this server, they will automatically be assigned this role. Okay, so it's pretty easy and straightforward. If you gain something from this video, make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel.